Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CrazyHimansh. My name is Himansh Garg. I am studying in class 3A. Today I am going to tell you a poem on nature. The title of my poem is Save Nature. Save nature, save. Learn to be brave. Trees are our gems. Don't cut their stems. Treat animals with care. Your earth will be bare. You have brains, give them brains. You have money, give them honey. You have a home, let them freely roam. Don't be mean, keep the world green. Drop by drop, save the crop. Water is a life, save with it right. Save nature, save. Learn to be brave. थैंक यू। आई होप कि आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है। अगर अच्छा लगा है तो इसे लाइक करें और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए आए हैं तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए ताकि आपको मेरी नई से नई वीडियो मिलती रहे। तो बाय फ्रेंड्स।